You need to watch this. If you struggle with curiosity about deadly places, this island has more snakes than sand. Stay, if you dare. Close your eyes. Picture 5 snakes per square meter. That's not a rumor. Biologists estimate a terrifying density of vipers on this tiny island. The Golden Lancehead is so lethal. The Brazilian Navy declared the island off-limits. No tourists, no selfies, just a natural death trap wrapped in fog and mystery. Snake Island, Brazil, potent hemotoxic venom, banned for a reason. These snakes evolved in isolation, aggressive and deadly. They hunt birds, ambush prey, and won't hesitate around you. Fascinated or terrified, either way, don't go. Stay away. Click the link below to see the full list of forbidden islands.